All right, today we got this trailer. I got dropped off at the house last night. Repeat customer of mine, different trailer I haven't worked on before. He had another one that was really beat, and then I guess he got this one and similar issue. But these fenders take an absolute beating, so we're gonna get that welded up. Probably put a extra bracket in there to stop that thing from flopping around, and then also just fix this electrical mess up here. And that's gonna be it for this. He needs it back by the end of the weekend, so we're not gonna go crazy with it, and I'm sure he'll schedule some time after the fact to kind of go through and fix the rest of the stuff. Like, there's some little cracks that are starting around these clearance holes, but really just doesn't want that fender falling off. So let's get everything cleaned up and we'll start welding stuff together. All right, got it cleaned up the best that I can for what it is. I have a strap running around the fender, around the tire, pulling it together. And I have it kind of in a spot that gives me a little bit of a gap to weld up. And especially down here, it gives me a little bit better accessibility to the crack, to make sure that I get good penetration through everything. And that way I can kind of fill it and merge everything together like that, opposed from I don't have the room to get in here and grind out the crack. So if I make the crack a little bit wider, like I was grinding it out, it's easier to get penetration, get filling material down in there. So it's all cleaned up with a wire brush, various different air tools, hit it with some acetone quick, and just go nice and slow and let the AC action clean up for us. And well, hopefully this welds up pretty decent and it'll get back together. I've done better, but I've done worse. It's kind of windy today, and I was really fighting the wind. I had the gas cranked up to like 35 CFM on the torch, and a little bit of gust of wind just blow that puddle right apart and make a big mess. So if I was able to get this inside, probably would have been smooth sailing. But unfortunately, it's wider than the doors. So stuck outside, but that's all set. I'm going to let that cool down. I'm going to address the wiring over here because I noticed that was chafing through when I started cleaning stuff up. Got the glove in there to kind of protect those wires from the heat. So while this cools down, I'm going to jump up front and figure out what we're going to do with the wiring up there. So got the wiring all wrapped up, got a nice piece of heat shrink on the end there, staggered the butt connectors so that way it's not a big group of wires that you're going to see up in the conduit. So that fits all nice. Went around, checked all the air pressure in the tires, greased up the jack, greased up the axles, checked out that light. That thing's all set. Fender's good, lights work, blinkers work. This thing is all set. And I'm gonna go call the customer. He'll be probably picking it up tomorrow, and on to the next job. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.